Hello, and welcome to this informational video brought to you by the Alaska DMV. In this video, we will walk you through the process of transferring an out-of-state driver's license to Alaska. Let's get started. On our website, you can find all the necessary resources and information regarding Alaska driver's licenses by simply pressing driver/ID on the homepage. From here, scroll down to New Alaska License. This page will provide all of the information and documentation necessary for your license transfer. Please visit our website at dmv.alaska.gov to view these resources. To transfer your out-of-state driver's license to Alaska, it is important that you come prepared. Bring your out-of-state driver's license, take and pass the Alaska General Knowledge Exam and motorcycle exam if applicable, provide the standard or Real ID documentation, and complete a D1 driver's license application. Your out-of-state driver's license must be current or less than 5 years expired and from the United States, a United States territory, Canada, or South Korea. If you have a different form of driver's license, please visit our website or give us a call to learn how to apply for an Alaska license. If you have lost your out-of-state driver's license, you may provide us with a driving record from your licensing state that displays your driver's license number and expiration date. Please visit that state's driver's licensing website to request the driving record. Next, you'll need to take the Alaska General Knowledge Exam and motorcycle exam if applicable. These exams can be taken at no cost in person at any local DMV office or on our website for a small fee. The motorcycle knowledge exam is only required if you wish to retain your motorcycle license. Each test is good for 1 year after passing, so ensure that you apply for your driver's license as soon as possible. When transferring your out-of-state driver's license, you may receive either the standard or Real ID Alaska driver's license. What is the Real ID? The Real ID is a federally compliant form of identification. Starting May 7th, 2025, a form of federally compliant identification will be mandatory to access federal buildings, enter nuclear power plants, and board commercial flights. This Real ID checklist is also listed on our website. All documents presented must be unaltered certified originals, certified amended originals, true copies certified by an issuing agency, valid and unexpired. First, you must present one form of identity and lawful status document from the list. Second, you must provide your Social Security number. If you don't have a Social Security number, you must provide a letter from the Social Security Administration within the last 90 days confirming this information. Third, you'll need 2 documents with your first and last name and your current residential address. Documents issued by the same source cannot be within the same month or billing cycle. And lastly, if your names do not match from columns A and C, you will need to provide 1 or more name change documents to show the connection. You may choose to receive the standard driver's license instead. The documents you must provide to receive this version are all the same as the Real ID. However, only 1 proof of residency is required rather than 2. Both lists can be found on our website at dmv.alaska.gov. And finally, you'll need to complete the most recent D1 driver's license application. You can find this form on our website under the Forms section or pick it up in any of our DMV offices. Still have questions? We're here to help. Give us a call at 907 269 5551. Thank you, and drive safe, Alaska.